where I put it. I did change my skincare routine. I did add a couple of things to just day-to-day routine, you know, like new products that I purchased and used. This one I'm currently using, really liked it. I think I'll be using it like on a day-to-day basis. I briefly talked about, I just mentioned like, you know, that I got from Saalt. I also have this favorite body lotion that I've been loving, but I can't share it yet because it's actually in the process of being made. So eventually, you know, I'll be able to share this. It's so good. A little bit, this much. That's the face. And I will rinse it off. Okay, I used that one to remove the sunscreen, you know, and now I'm gonna go into this cleanser. My recent favorite, this much. It's like a gel form. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse this off again. Pretty basic, pretty simple, and if I feel a little extra, which on most days I don't feel that, I'm pretty low maintenance these days. But if I do, I will go into this mask that I have a first impression review. If you're interested, check it out here or here. I haven't used it for a really long time, so I'm just gonna put on, hop in the shower, rinse it off, and then put on a cream. I have this like eye mask that I talked about. So right now I'm gonna put this on. I have a small applicator that I have to like use for mask, but I forgot where I put it. Like these days, that's like the most that I do to I guess like for face masks. Before, when I was in my 20s, I used to do like multi-masking, which is like different masks for different concerns, different places. It's just like, oh my god, so many masks. And my husband used to see me like every other day, different mask on my face. Skin was not like that good when you're using that many products. Rinse it off in the shower. Voila, you know? See you later. I don't do this every single night. This is the Revive Serum. The brand is, this is a Korean skincare brand. This is the brand. Hand Bang Serum Discovery Kit. Spray this. And then put this serum on.